Hello everyone. In this video we're gonna take a look at this 2014 Honda Pilot EXL with navigation, backup camera, moonroof, the whole 9 yards. This is a blue exterior vehicle, beige leather interior. We will look into all the details of it. We will share with you the Carfax history on this vehicle. It has great color on it. Okay, and let's go around and see if we find any defects or issues. Starting from tires, deep tread, at least halfway there. Okay, this is a front wheel drive vehicle, drives like a Shaner. We will talk about it in a second. And there are some chips here, but this is a plastic protection, plastic molding to actually protect the paint from these chips. And of course there are some nail marks here, so this is a family vehicle at the end of the day, so that's reasonable. Again, plastic, some chips here on the plastic and some nail marks here. Okay, I don't see anything else. They're on the rear. Let's pop this up. Okay, so this is all good. We'll come back to the third row seats and whatnot. On this other side there is unnoticeable dent here, no paint damage. I don't know if you can see it on the video. Yeah, if you pay close attention you might see it. Again, chips on the plastic molding to protect those chips going onto the metal itself, but other than that, no issues whatsoever. Again, tires are good. We'll check out the rear tires as well. You see, there is at least more than half tread remaining. So let's check the interior of the vehicle. Passenger side, clean, like new. This leather here, wow, it's also clean, like new. Second row seats, again, no damage. There is some glue-like material here, but yeah, that can be cleaned away. The seats themselves, all clean, not abused, well maintained. So let's put them forward. This is your access to your third row seats. Third row seats, from the touch of it, it feels like they have not been used. Okay, but you got a lot of room here, and that's the seat belt for middle row here. Okay, bring this back. Okay, we'll get to the other side as well. So this is all clean. Third row seats. Let's close them, see how much space we get. There we go, ton of space here. Okay, and let's bring them back up. You're gonna take a look at them from the other angle. Everything here is a single-handed operation, and you have automatic closing tailgate as well. Okay. All right, from the other side again, all clean. Great to the touch, feels great to the touch. Okay, oh, this is heavy. Yeah, it's too heavy for me now with a single-handed operation. Okay, so all clean here as well. So roof is clean. You got a rear, what's its name, climate controls, and you can control it from the front as well. Usually I lock it on the front. All right, and driver's side. We're gonna check the windows as usual. We can check the tailgate button here. That triggers the automatic opening, and once that is finished, we'll close that. This is a power seat, front seat, driver seat. Very clean, very clean. There are signs. So here you have some signs of use. This is normal. Getting in and getting out, it hurts this side of the seat, but there is no tear, not any significant wear either. Okay, so let's press and hold it, and if you press and hold it here, now it's gonna close the tailgate as well. All right, now let's pop the hood from side here. Usually it's confusing. All right, now in terms of the key, we have a single key. It's a blade and remote all together. Now let's listen to the engine, and then we'll talk about its maintenance history. All right, starts up cleanly. What's this? Okay. Very quiet, and I will tell you why. Listen to this. no vibrations, no noises, no leaks, no issues, no small smells whatsoever. And the reason why is this vehicle has been meticulously maintained. It has recently have changed a water pump on it, the timing belt on it. So major maintenance that needs to be done at 100 to 120,000 miles has been done. So all you need to do is get this truck and just drive it. And don't take my word for it. All those maintenance records are on Carfax. Okay, now let's check the windows as well. Rear windows work. Front windows, that's automatic, and this is automatic. So let's get in the car. It's hot outside. So this is traction control off option. I don't know why you would need that. On the wheel you have phone controls, voice level controls, sound controls, cruise controls, and this is your dash. All clean. Currently we have 107 and some change in terms of the mileage. Seatbelt silence on because I am not buckled up. AC blows ice cold. Let's start from the roof side. Moonroof, let's test it. Goes back and closes, and we'll test the tilt as well. All right, tilts and closed. All right. Now on the interior, you have the whole dash here. Now it comes with backup camera, and beauty of this backup camera is you can change the view from these controls. It has 3 views. This is a regular view. This is top down view, right? As if you're watching, as you see as I'm moving, it's showing me as I get closer. And this is the wide view. Okay, usually I keep it at this. Then you have your navigation system. If I press the map guide, this is updated navigation system. Yesterday we checked with my partner. We checked like couple streets that are basically a year or 2 years old. All those routes have been updated. Now you have USB, HDD, CD, Sirius XM, all these good stuff. AC controls, like I said, you can lock the rear as well. You can sync the AC, or you can have everyone control their own. So if I uncheck the sync on the left hand side, you see I can control the left side separately than the right side. Usually I check the sync here. What else? Rear lock, this is for AC. If you do this, rear passengers will not be able to control. You have heated seats for both the front passenger and the driver. And of course this is the rear AC controls. In terms of drivability, drives like new. Perfectly maintained, well taken care of. You have, again, don't take my word for it, on Carfax you have all the maintenance records. We will share the Carfax with you. And the sticker is relatively new, that needs updating, but that again, in the Carfax history, it shows that every single time it went to the emissions controls, it has passed without an issue. Okay, so you are buying a you have all your books here, power outlet, and your USB aux as well. So you're buying a vehicle with peace of mind, knowing that you will not have to spend any significant amounts of money for regular maintenance. All you need to do is oil changes, tire rotations, check your brakes, and regular stuff like that. By the way, brakes have been flushed as well, transmission has been serviced as well. So everything that needed to be done on this vehicle has been done. It goes without saying, this is a Honda Pilot, and it's in great condition. Please come see us at AZ Cars. We'll be happy to have you test drive the vehicle and answer your questions. Thank you for watching.